tubular shelving without screws or bolts. Plastic caps for floor protection. Install your first series of shelves by leaving a space of 1 tablet between each element. Fit the biggest coupling sleeves together with the ascending parts of the base. The coupling sleeves allow joining the shelves. Superimpose the next series by alternating and placing the dividers at the extremities. Fit the coupling sleeves. Place the shelves after completion of the assembly of the tubular structure. The use of an extension allows creating different heights for each case. 6 extension heights, from 50 to 300 mm. Key strengths: robustness, stiffness, perfect stability, simple and quick assembly, adaptability. For more information, visit our website www.provost-racking.com.